How to log in to Viki. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log in to Viki. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Viki app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the login button, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next section, you'll see three options. So first is continue with Google, second is continue with email, and third is continue with another way. So here for this video, I'm going to tap on continue with email. And now here, once you tap on it on the next page, what you have to do is simply enter your email. And now here, once you're done entering the email, just enter the password. And here, once you're done entering the email and password, you can just tap on login to access your account. But sometimes Wiki may ask for email verification, so check your email and click or tap on verification link if prompted. And once logged in, you can browse shows, add favorites, and continue watching your favorite dramas on Wiki. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.